Connect the power cord corresponding to the wire number to the switch. Locate the included air tube and connect it to the water filter valve and the air inlet port. Connect the other accompanying air hose to the water separator and the air tank. Lift the drain valve upward to open it, then rotate it to adjust the pressure, setting to approximately 0.2. Once the adjustment is complete, press the valve downward to lock it in place. Open the water inlet, add purified water until it reaches the standard level, and then replace the cap. Turn on the circuit breaker. Rotate to release the emergency stop, then switch on the system and the water chiller. Turn on the laser only after the water temperature reaches 25 C or higher. Enter the device parameter settings. The password is 6. You may change the language settings as needed, but it is not recommended to alter other settings. Click Cleaning, then click Files to enter the cleaning mode interface. Enter Custom Process Library. Select the cleaning pattern you want. Click Back, then click Sway and Laser to perform laser cleaning. Open the nozzle cap. Cleaning effect display.